Ostomart is a dispensing appliance contractor, so primarily our business is dispensing prescriptions to patients who have needs, stoma needs, bowel cancer, etc. So we have 3 sites in the country that do that. Patients will send us prescriptions in a free post envelope, or they'll give us a call and we'll arrange a prescription on their behalf. When the prescription arrives, we dispense anything on that prescription in Part 9 of the drug tariff, most of which is stoma related, colostomy pouches, urostomy pouches, and most of which need cutting.
There's about 150,000 potential patients in the UK using about 2 pouches a day. And a big problem with the current state of the art is these are typically hand cut using scissors, which causes problems because generally this leaves a rough edge and causes patient discomfort. It's also time consuming. There can also be inaccuracies, and over long periods of time the people doing the cutting can suffer from RSI.
When we first went to Pera, we had an idea of what we wanted to achieve, but we didn't have any idea of how to achieve it. They were very, very helpful in identifying our needs and also in providing some solutions for those needs, which then grew as the project went along.
Ostomart wanted to differentiate itself in the market to deal with the patient care issue. And it knew that in order to do that, it needed to get away from the scissor cutting state of the art and move to something that was automated and better quality. Ostomart knew what it wanted to do, it just didn't know how to solve the problem.
Pera helped us in many ways. They helped us with everything from the concept. So we had the idea, Pera had the knowledge, the expertise, the partners to work with. So what they did was that they introduced all these people to us. We had several prototypes of the machine, and over a period of months and years we developed this with Pera and the partners to the finished product that we have now.
Having decided on the concept, Pera Technology was then able to actually develop the machine in conjunction with Ostomart and other partners as required to solve the problem. The key developments were developing the ultrasonic cutting system and embedding that into a machine that enabled the pouch to be cut without it being damaged. Additionally, the software was developed that enabled each particular pouch to be cut directly from patient data input fed in through a software system. The result of the work was an actual machine that Ostomart utilised to this day that takes patient data and conveys it directly to a cutting machine, and using the ultrasonics cutting technology, each pouch is cut to the patient's desired requirements.
It did take a number of years, purely because the market wasn't ready for this machine at the time. We didn't initially market it because it was for our own use and our own patients' use. So 3 or 4 years after its development, we started to market it, and since marketing for the next 3 or 4 years after that, we've now sold about 30 machines in the marketplace.
Pera is able to help its clients develop technology-based solutions that fit with market needs. We understand a client's brief and what a market will need, and then using the skills and capabilities internally, as well as those buried within our talent network, we're able to come up with the best technical solution that meets the client's needs. We're able to understand what needs to be done, pull together the right experts to solve the problem, and then put together a project implementation team that can actually develop the technology for the client and ultimately enable it to take it to market.
Smooth, professional, simple, exciting, innovative.